St. Andrew East Rural is known for producing most of the island's coffee. This sector was not spared from the challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. Member of Parliament for St. Andrew East Rural, Juliet Holness, believes that serving Jamaican coffee in every tourist attraction in Jamaica and to every cruise ship passenger that disembarks at the nation's ports would help the sector rebound. Speaking in Parliament recently, Member of Parliament for St. Andrew East Rural, Juliet Holness, says challenges in coffee production and sales continues to plague her constituents.
This includes 1. A lack of transparency in average contract pricing secured out of Japan. 2. The absence of an effective cooperative structure for negotiating terms for all coffee farmers. And finally, the use of middlemen in the existing structure for distributing government resources intended to benefit the farmers.
She notes results of a coffee symposium held to discuss and strategize on how to resolve these issues. Mrs. Holness says the Agricultural Commodities Regulation Authority offered to help.
I have received some serious assurances that they will explore 1, very meaningful, utilizing their knowledge of the contract prices in Japan to establish a price index mechanism to assist local farmers in determining a reasonable range of prices for their produce. I must say to my farmers, the government does not set coffee prices. This is just to help you have a better appreciation of what the government knows is going on in Japan that you cannot see, to help you to determine what you must push for as a farmer.
The Member of Parliament says steps are being taken to help coffee farmers in her constituency rebound from low prices and other impediments affecting their livelihood.
In addition, Madam Speaker, to 80 million allocated by the government some time ago for struggling coffee farmers, we were successfully able to negotiate economic support to the tune of $60 million from the leaching donation, which secured a JCB backhoe for collective use of the farmers, 7,000 bags of fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, mist blowers, motorized sprayers, knapsacks, and so much more, directly, which went to the benefit of the small coffee farmer.
According to the MP, more work needs to be done.
We have been reinforcing the work as it relates to the supply side for coffee. But on the demand side, Minister Bartlett, we would like you to advocate that in order to boost the demand and to create additional value chain opportunities for the local coffee farmers, Blue Mountain Coffee must be served in every single tourist attraction in Jamaica. Madam Speaker, it must also be offered to every cruise ship passenger that disembarks at our port. Visitors should not only see and feel the best of Jamaica, but should taste the best of Jamaica.